came from heaven. Ow! 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 Whoa! Ow! Ow! Ya Allah! Ya Salam! Everything is open.
Is that what you scream?
You know, it's more like pressure, and then it feels like boom. Issues with my neck, lower back pain. But the lower back it's more severe with my left leg. And my neck it's on and off, not very often.
And you've been seeing our videos for?
Since last year?
Over a year.
Over a year.
And you've been scared?
Very, very scared.
You're sending me
DMs.
been disturbing me.
Yeah.
Will I make it? Will I be alive?
Yes, no. Will my leg break? Will I survive?
Today is the day to find out.
Okay. Shall we? Interesting.
We will find out today.
Okay.
We will move to the side view or lateral view. Again, curvature. I know this would need to look identical, but this is good enough. And I'm also happy about the disc space.
Okay.
Although this L5 S1 can be improved, but nothing too severe.
Can I ask a question?
Honestly.
That part, is that like the lower?
Yes, this is the lower back area.
Okay.
That's all.
Yes,
That's all the question.
No, I just wanted to ask if that was the lower because you know when you said it can be improved, I know that I have
That's
this
it.
lower back pain and it's been really, really, really terrible.
How many release? 1 or 2?
10.
Really.
10 release, honestly. Like you don't understand, but I'm very serious.
Now the neck is where we're seeing the most severity. See the curvature here? See how your arm is basically straight. Also, you don't get headaches or migraines?
I do. Sorry I didn't mention that. Yes, I do. Sometimes I have this blinding. Yes.
Am I psychic?
You have to tell me, like.
So you see the space here between the occiput and the atlas.
Okay.
You can see your own how it's narrowed.
Whoa.
It's a typical, it's not guaranteed that if it's narrowed you have migraine or headache. It's a typical finding for a headache and migraine.
Okay.
So we have work to do.
Like one word to do.
Work.
Oh my goodness, I'm in trouble.
You ready? Turn your head to the right. Okay. Bring the head down. I got you. And back. Relax. Bring the shoulder down.
Oh! Whoa! Ya Salam. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Whoa! That came from heaven. Wow.
You okay?
Yes.
So that was a heavily adjustment.
Whoa, yes, like it came from this part of my it came from the top. I kid you not. It came from the top. Oh, alhamdulillah. Oh.
See what you've been running from.
Oh.
We're not done though.
No, I just felt like it came like from the middle. I'm not exaggerating, but now it came from this point of my head.
Where did it end? If there's a certain point that you hear.
No, and I came here, then I heard it in my ears, like.
And then it just. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
So now you're building more trust.
Mm-hmm.
Now you know your neck won't snap off.
Yes, I know now.
How about down? Allow the head to move.
Whoa! Why do I feel lighter?
Because your head is more on straight. If, let's say you're carrying a bucket of water and your head is like this, you know it will feel heavier than if your head is straight and you're carrying the same amount of item.
I honestly feel light.
Like there's more ease.
Thank you.
No, we're not done.
Well, thank you for phase one.
Thank God. Thank God.
Okay.
Bring your stomach down.
Like this? Ow! La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Bismillah wa ni'mal wakil. Ow! But don't know how you want to kill me for my mother. Wow! Okay.
You will thank me later.
Okay.
You okay?
Yes, I am. Well, it's not as scary as I thought it would
Wait,
be.
look at it. When people watch this video now, they'll see you roll lie down, come back,
It was shock.
and then
See, the shock came to my heart.
And then say, it's not as scary.
It's not as
Why did you now?
No, it was shock. Electric shock, baby.
You want to understand if you can still move.
No, but it was electric shock. You know, it came like this and it came here.
You see why when you're watching all these other people, they roll around, kick their legs, and then come back.
If I feel better.
You'll be confused. How? So now you're experiencing your own.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes, I am.
Face down.
Okay.
Facing up. Stomach.
Am I good? Ow! Oh. Oh. Ow! Oh my God. La hawla. Ya salam. Alhamdulillah. Oh. That came from the back to the front.
Well, that's where your spine is. The front is where your heart is.
Okay.
Your heart.
Am I supposed to stand up?
Yes, you can. When you're ready, you can. When you're ready.
Thank you. Okay. Bismillah. Oh.
You lie face down, please. No, face.
Like I should lie in my head.
Your face comes here.
Okay.
You wanted to say something?
No. I just feel different. I feel light like a piece of paper. Honestly. Wallahi, I do. You don't understand. You don't understand. I feel like a piece of paper.
Just don't fly away.
Maybe I will after this. Okay, what next?
Here.
Ow!
You okay? But you just keep the head down.
Down? Like this?
That's not down.
This
There
is-
you go.
Okay, this is dumb.
Fear won't allow you to know.
No, I'm not. I think I'm more comfortable now than earlier. But then, the human nature.
I'm coming here.
Okay. Whoa! Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Ah, my village people.
We don't go.
My village people. Okay. Oh.
Bring your head down.
Oh.
One more. Dun,
What's
dun,
that?
dun, 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 dun.
And you say you do this when you pull people.
Dun, dun, dun.
I don't know what this does to people, but I don't know.
It changes their life, so it's your own turn. You come up.
Please, could you help me come up? Oh. Not like I can't come up on my own. I just feel like I'm very lazy.
You will sit here, your legs on the ground. So this will help to decompress the spine. Okay.
Okay.
Lie down. But come down spine.
How am I supposed to?
You're okay.
Just sleep away.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do before I do it, okay?
Okay.
Bring your head up. And down.
Down?
Mm.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll stretch and I'll make a quick adjustment, okay?
Okay. That's fine.
Leave it here. Bring your hands to your side.
Huh?
Bring your hands to
I
your
should breathe?
Bring your hand to your side.
Okay.
Okay, back to your stomach.
Ow! Ya Allah! Ya Salam! Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil.
Where did you feel it?
I don't know.
All over.
I don't know. It just felt like everything cracked. Or everything opened. Or everything. I don't know. Ah. Alhamdulillah. I wish I can sleep off.
You will rest, but not this one.
Oh.
You can stand.
Do you know, it feels like. Can I explain how I feel?
Of course.
It feels
No,
like,
stand. I want you to stand.
like this. But it felt like. Let's see me adjust. Like. Everything is open.
Is that why you screamed?
It's more like pressure, and then it feels like boom, it's all
Remember
out.
I said this is to help to decompress the spine.
Okay.
Decompressing means to allow it to have that mobility.
Yeah, it felt like pressure, and then it all comes. So there was really nothing to be scared of since last year. Oh my god, I feel good.
This is what you're running from.
I'm finally here. Bad guy.
You're doing scout now.
Bad guy. He's a walk in the park.
Oh god. This is after 1 year now.
Yes, now we are the liver. We are here. It's a walk in the park. But honestly,
How was it?
I feel good. For you, like here, it's light. And then, wait. I'll be honest with you. I walked in here with a bit of pain. Wait, I couldn't do this.
You're trying to find it and
Yes.
you're trying to create the same range of motion you did.
Yes, and I'm trying to find that. Oh where has my pain been gone? Oh my god, thank you, God. I feel good.
You're crying.
I didn't cry, I'm just excited.
Tears of joy.
I'm excited. I feel good. I know this other one came
imagine if we didn't record this. That's why I tell people that the things on our page is not even half of what we see.
Okay, I feel good.
The things on our page is not even half of what we see.
Oh my god, I feel I'm not crying.
Yeah, it's enjoyment.
I feel good. Alhamdulillah. Wallahi, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I feel good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I owe you chocolates.
Chocolate, bring me land documents.
How about you're too expensive for me? Just chocolate.
I don't talk for that. What's your health what?
Oh my god, it's
You rest for about 20 minutes.